Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasr, and today in this video I will show you how you can use your mouse in Adobe Acrobat in order to zoom instead of scrolling. So if you are using Adobe Acrobat in order to open a lot of PDFs, this video is for you. So first of all, you need to open the PDF that you want to actually use the scroll feature. As you can see that I will now open the PDF by right clicking and open with and clicking on the Adobe Acrobat. So here, as you can see, when the Adobe Acrobat page opens, when I use my mouse scroll wheel, it actually scrolls the page. I don't want it. I want it to be, zoom it. So first of all, I will click on the right side and click on pan. This feature uses pan in order to do it. And still, if I do it, it doesn't zoom it, but instead of it scrolls it. So what I do is I have to click on Control K on my keyboard, and then I have to go on to general option, and then you can see that make hand tool use mouse wheel while zooming. Click it and press on OK. So once you do it, and when you scroll your mouse, it actually zooms it. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. It's a very simple trick in order to zoom it. If you want the pan feature to zoom it instead of scrolling it, it only works on pan. You need to select pan, and then you have to click on the options. So if you want to go back, you can always go it by clicking on Control K and using it, the previous option. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys like this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. As always, peace out.